Hey traders, John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. Just wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin. This is the 5 minute chart here. As we can see, it's trade below all the major moving averages and making lower highs and almost about to make lower lows if it continues this trend. But definitely the 9 EMAs, making lower highs and lower lows. And here's the 30 minute chart. And here we can see we've traveled down, under the 9 EMA, and then we've broken above and we've got an engulfing pattern closing below, a second engulfing pattern closing below, and then look what happened after it. And now we've cracked the 50 and hit the 50, and then we've got an engulfing pattern happening back down to the 50, three little dojis, and then an engulfing pattern happening down and then back down, closing below all the moving averages now. And it's on big volume too, stochastics coming out of overbought. And then we've got the daily chart, and we can see that on the daily chart, we've tried and failed, tried, failed, tried and failed. But have a look at the reversal here, like the trying and then the indecision and then the opening and then this completely demolished all the buyers. So if there was 100 buyers in there, there's about 110 sellers that stayed in the trade here. So there's more, and so this has a pretty good chance to continue its downtrend. All these are looking very negative. But I wanted to mention this, is that so there's been I got in right here at this entry right here, and I was looking at entering. I think I did. I bought twice, and this was, it was either here or as soon as this turned back to red. So it was green in the morning, and then as soon as I went to red, I think I was waiting for extra confirmation. So I got two entries in there, and now I'm looking for my third entry. Now I don't know what's going to happen with this. I'm only looking at selling it because it just looks like it's going to go down. We've had a nice downtrend, a two candle pullback with weak volume, and then we've got an engulfing pattern happening straight away. If this, let's say we want to do it safely. Okay, what's the open of this one here is 25.17, and the low of this one here is 24.54. So let's say 24.54. Let's say you could put a sell order in at 24.49, say for example. So then it's got to make some real headway. It's got to get past a real number and break the lows in order to prove that it's going down. But here we are picking up volume again on the downside. So it's looking like a sell to me. So I'm looking at entering my third position in on this one here. Anyway, don't copy me. Just paper trade this and just see how we go. If it goes the wrong way, like much past here, and I'll be out anyway. So, but another thing I need to look at as well is that moving over here, that support and resistance line is, if I can get that straight, yep. So there. So I could probably bring that down just a fraction, to say about there to accommodate, and we can kind of see that yes, it's touched there and we're broken through and we've come up and found resistance. So we've got support becomes resistance, which it has, and then it's completely engulfed away from resistance with increasing volume. It's looking pretty good for a short sell. All right, traders, I hope that enlighten you a little bit in short selling. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, see you.